In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting on Excel chart based on table conditional formatting. If I click on this table, simply go to conditional formatting manage rule. You can see we have 3 conditional formatting rules. For example, if I change this value, let's say, you can see it's update the conditional formatting, but it's also update conditional formatting on Excel chart. Now in this video, I'm going to show you each and everything step by step. Consider we have this sheet on which I have only the table which has conditional formatting. We have the 3 extra column for low, mid, high value. You can increase this column as per your need. We have the low value range, mid value range and high value range. The first thing I will click here and simply type by column function. Open parenthesis. For the array, I will select low, mid, high range values. Simply hit F4 key to log the reference. Hit comma, type lambda, open parenthesis. I will define x as a parameter name. Hit comma. Simply type if condition, open parenthesis, and select B4 cell. Simply type greater than equal to if B4 value is greater than equal to x. Hit comma. We need to return the value from column B. Hit comma. Otherwise, we need to display any result. Open close parenthesis for if condition, lambda, and by column function. Hit enter. I will click on active cell and drag this formula down. The next thing, we need to select the January column and also select all of my data sheet. Click on insert, recommended chart. In this case, I will select all chart and simply select the first column chart, hit OK. The next thing, we need to click any of the column, right click, format data series. For series overlap, I will set 100%, and for the gap width, I will set, let's say, 10%. The next thing, we need to assign actual series name. I will simply go to select data, click on edit. This is the first series. I will click on low value cell, hit OK. Click on next series, edit, click your mouse in series name and select mid, hit OK. Select series 3, click on edit, click on high and simply hit OK. Now you can see we have properly assigned our legend. The next thing, we need to change the color of bars. If you click on the blue bars, you can see this column has been highlighted. So I will go to Home tab, click on the fill color. In this case, I will select this red fill color. If you click any of the orange bar, for example, you can see mid column has been highlighted. I will go to fill color. For this, I will select orange fill color. And now I will select the green columns, go to fill color. And for this, I will select the light green color. Of course, you can do these color change by going to format. You can see 3 series name here. If you select mid series, it will select all of the mid series column. If you select high series, it will only select the high series columns. The next thing, I will simply change the chart title, and we also need to change vertical x-axis format. I will simply click here, right click, format x-axis, scroll a little bit down, click on number. For the category, I will choose currency, and for the decimal point, I will choose 0 decimal point. Simply hit enter. Now our chart is almost ready. I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. And if you have any question, please write in comment.